Afternoon, guys. Wasn't expecting to find as I walked up this road. W-Reg digger. Wow, you're like late 70s. It's been left here. We're at. This is what's the Iqbal brothers poultry business. There's dogs here. No, we're going. There's dogs. So I'm abandoning this one. There's clearly somebody who's looking out for it. Apparently it was just a walk-in. So I'm not looking too clever here. So I'm just gonna have to go and buzz off a bit. We might come back in a bit. Now I doubt you guys can see this, but basically I decided to go and I'm just going to go and have a little walk up the road. But where the Iqbal brothers site was, basically the road dips and then you come back up again. And then you can kind of see back onto the site. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera here, but there's a caravan, no, two caravans and a van in there. There's also what looks like a newer digger there. So I'm wondering if somebody's using the site maybe for a bit more camping out on, maybe. Hard to say, like, you know, I'm wondering if that, I don't know if you guys picked it up on the footage, but there was discovery down the bottom. I wonder if that discovery is somebody who's on the site, since where that dog come bouncing straight out when I got close to the digger. So kind of thwarted that explore, but I'm going to keep an eye on it anyhow. Maybe save it back one for a future date. Hopefully it's looking one I can show you around. Bit of a shame really, it's been abandoned for that long that I've never rushed to get here. When I actually do try and get here, somebody's living on site potentially with a big Alsatian. Oh well, it's the way it goes sometimes, can't win them all. So yeah, it's gone, the JCB that was here. It's literally parked here. And there was a hole in the fence. Oh, the hole in the fence was there. Balls. Gate's wide open. JCB's now inside. Right, let's get ourselves through and have a look. Oh yeah, they're new, aren't they? Yeah. Let's have a look. Look, Iqbal Brothers take two anyhow. Back again. Yeah. Where do you want to head to first? You got to see some of the old JCBs?
They're brand new, them, aren't they?
What?
10 cams.
Yeah, somebody's got some plans for this place now. There's nobody here, there's no accommodation or anything, is there?
I don't think so.
Nothing else. So it's been shut 14 years. Yeah. Like I said before, it got closed down for failing food standards checks.
Yeah.
Well, I think it closed down just after that. They got fined 40 grand, 2009. I think it's been maybe, you know, storage for like, you know, for all these JCBs and Fords and whatever else is there.
Yeah, you'd wonder why they need all these JCBs. Yeah, chicken farm.
There's some old ones though, like that W there is going to be about 1980. So these are about 1980, so they're what, 45 years old? What else isn't it? Oh, it doesn't actually look that bad, you know, inside. No dash, such, but it's a bit of a mess. Like it's covered in cobwebs, but okay, isn't it?
There's another gap in the fence there.
Yeah, but that goes into that bit. That's how you will get through, and then you have to get back out through the other gap.
Okay, so yeah.
So that's also going to be the way. There's a cat in here. It's a cat. It's just come out of that one. It was on the seat of that one. Yeah, it's just run out.
I was thinking maybe there's a dog sleeping on this. Maybe it's a cat.
Yeah, possibly. It's Y-Reg, they're all about the same sort of year, they're all about the same sort of age. Someone's going to come up here, aren't they, by the sound of it?
I think so.
Is that recorded message? Stop there, it's not your normal one you get, is it? That goes up to anything around here. Right. We can get through this bit anyhow. That's all quite like storage, isn't it? What would be like a loading bay? What do you want to do? Should we head back up? Should we walk past the camera and go back up the other way? I think. Because if someone comes, we're not going to last much longer anyhow, but we just go then, don't we? So.
Yeah, exactly. What's the police going to do?
I don't think the police are coming, it's just security guards, isn't it? Should we walk round that side and up? Because we can't get through here to anything, can we? Yeah. We can go and walk through there. What's your gut on time? Do you want to stay as long as you can, or do you want to see how far they're pushing it?
Well, we'll see. We'll see how much pans on.
You probably can just walk out over the fence around here to get around in here too, can't you?
I'll get back to my Caribbean clan. The police are on the way.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just walk, you don't even have to come through the fence, you can go around this way, can't you? Just go and have a look in this building here, and then say take it from there, yeah? Think?
Yep, lead the way. What exactly are they attacking, you know what I mean?
Stay out of the way of the camera though. Seems more like, I was expecting more, machinery. It seems more like storage, doesn't it? They're just big old storage units, aren't they? Yeah. Did you ever come to the one in Skatesbreak with us? That was just these huge chiller rooms. I thought there might be some, machinery that's going to process some of this. But there's like nothing, is there? That's just going to be wet. I think this is going to be storage through here, isn't it? That's a bit disappointing. This is what we come through in it. That's where we were before. I'm going to say that I don't think there's anything on this side here. I think this might be it. Like there's not even really any offices or anything, is there? Everything's just, that's the one where the big drop was where we came in. That's it. Oh, that's a bit disappointing, I think. Well, it's whoever's got sight in it. Yeah, I think so. Should we go before we upset him? Like, I don't think there's going to be anything else. Like, that's. No. I thought it was going to be like. I thought it was going to be plants and machinery, running equipment. But honestly, it doesn't seem like there is.
No. JCBs.
Yeah. Yeah, right, okay. I'm going to call it quits on this one. Since this brand new security doesn't like us being here, keeps talking to us. And we'll catch you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the JCBs. If you did, give us a like or subscribe, as ever. We'll see you on the next video. Short and sweet, wasn't it? Oh well. Nice womble in the country anyhow.